Hey guys, welcome back to Richo's Customs, where today we'll be putting a big brake kit on Naughty the burnout car. So, let's get it. So before we get into today's video, I would like to thank all 2,000 people that have subscribed to Richo's Customs. It really means a lot, and it means you can see more cool builds like this. And you guys, I know you're going to definitely want to wait to see what is happening to Naughty. Big plans are happening. So let's do this. Oh. Let's kick it. There we go. Bit of a pain when she's cold, but we got there nonetheless. How good is that? Whoop, too far. Oh, turned off for me. Lol. Let's go upwards. So before I even start, I know a lot of people will be asking, Richo, why are you putting big brake kit on your burnout / drift car? Well, I like going fast, but I also like to stop after going fast, right? So these factory AU ones on a Series 2, you know, aren't the best when it comes to stopping, right? And when you got like 250, 300 horsepower as it is right now, but soon to change very soon, it's still mid-skid, like you just foot flat to the floor and it's still not perfect. Yes, I've bled the brakes before, but I know it could be a lot better with some simple changeovers. So in this video, we will be installing BF brakes onto the front of this thing with brand new rotors, and I have polished up the old calipers right there. That will make this bad boy stop a lot quicker. Also, shout out to Dylan from Mully Drift. He did this first on his Drift Ute, so check him out. I'll link his YouTube channel in the description below. So I think it's time to get into it and stop talking. The key to any job is oogadoogers. She's stuck. Oh. Okay. That didn't go clean. So the key to any job is oogadoogers. Like so. Hell yeah, brother. Get out of there. Okay, that works, I guess. Wheel is off. They're the old brakes from VF, the old motors. They are pretty toast. Look at the lip on them. So, good frisbee. No one uses them. So, these are the old brakes. As you can see straight away, they are a hell of a lot smaller. Look at the difference. Wowzers. So we'll pull this one out. So just two 15mm bolts at the back and the brake line, and all of this will come flying off. Let's get it. So gotta get your brake line off. Ooh, careful. Going everywhere. Good eye. How's that? Pretty easy, isn't it? Ooh, let that drip for a bit, and obviously I'll do the same for the other side. Now that she's stopped leaking a bit, we can scoot around to the other side and get to our bolts. There we go. Should pop off if it doesn't have too much of a lip. There we go. Put that down there so it doesn't leak. And we'll have to tap this bad boy off because she's a little rusty. Yes. I'm not too worried about warping this one because it's going in the bin, so just needs a bit of persuasion like that. Oh yeah, weight reduction. Damn, look at that difference. Before, after, holy moly. So, we will fish out our old washer and bolt from in here, because my dumb ass dropped them. New rotor, and we can assemble. This is going to be tricky. Yeah, good angle, isn't it? Look at that shiny boy. Make sure you clean all the oil off, otherwise you will not be stopping in a hurry. So just got to put the pads into the calipers and then bolt it together and do the other side. So here it is, and that one obviously goes like so. Got to slide these bad boys in, just like that. Sometimes they're a bit tricky, but as long as you can get them to slide in. This one's been a bit of pain. A pest, I should say. There we go. Oh, this little bit fell out. Putting it back in. And the sun's come out, so you probably cannot see a single thing. But that is alright. Or is it? I'm not sure. Which way does that go? It goes like that. Hey, yeah, we got it. Ta-da! Rinse and repeat for the other side. So, you can now put this one on first, because that does make life easy. Get the bolts from your pocket, like so. Nice and loose, just like that. Then we can pop this one over, just like that. Get the two bolts, bolt them on. Get your Ooga Dooga machine. Grab your 15mm. Do the back ones. Look at that. Got to take this off and we're done, and I'll do a time lapse of the other side. Mint. And boy oh boy does that look so much better than the old ones down there. Look at that. How good. Awesome. have it. There's all the old stuff and there's the new stuff. Old stuff, new stuff. How good does this look? So now I just need to find a friend to bleed the brakes. Lol. So drop it down and bleed the brakes. Sweet. So as you can see, that side and the other side is done. Just dropping it down right now so I can top up the master cylinder, so then I can let gravity do most of the work, and then I'll get someone to pump the pedal while I bleed the brakes. So make sure I don't go down too far, otherwise it'll roll off and hit the brakes. So reach into the old cockpit, pop. Bit of rats action, eh? Ooh, look out. So yeah, you guys seriously need to watch this space. Get keen. Whee! Whiny boy. So, pop this. Oh, yes. One at the back. Oh yeah. Shit. Oh. Perfect. And we'll let gravity do some work for a little bit. Hell yeah, brother. So once you accidentally make a mess and let it gravity feed, you want to make sure your rims fit. So in my case, I've got 16s on the front and they fit perfectly. And look at that, you can see all the shiny new stuff on the inside. So all I got to do is pop that wheel back on and we can see how good she stops. Hell yeah. So the pedal feels pretty damn good, eh? Oh, damn. They lock up hard too. Certified Ripper once again. What a weapon. Stops that well everything in the back falls over. How good. Well guys, that wraps up another Richo's custom video on Naughty the Burnout car. As I said at the start, there's absolutely massive plans planned for Naughty the Burnout car. Some of you may know already, but if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you leave a like, subscribe. Thank you guys for 2,000 subscribers. It really means a lot, and slowly growing to Australian featured and car content. So hope you guys liked this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next episode on Richo's Customs. Cheers.